Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a subscription box I haven't had for a long while, and it's the Pip Box, and this is what it looks like. That's how it arrives through the post with my address on the back there. So as always, if you're new to the Pip Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what you'll receive in December's box, then I'll add a timestamp down in the comments below so you're free to flick forward. So the Pip Box is an award-winning cruelty-free and vegan monthly beauty box. It costs £20 a box, it's free shipping within the UK, £1.50 shipping to Europe and £3.50 shipping to the rest of the world. They also have options for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. They get shipped out around the 20th of the month. You're free to cancel any time. You can go onto their website and see previous boxes if you want to see what sort of items you'll get, and you'll get at least 5 beauty items inside the box, and it could be a mix of skincare, beauty, hair care and tools as well. When I was having a look online to see if any information has changed, I noticed that if you sign up to their newsletter you will receive 50% off your first box. So all details and all links and everything I can find I will link down below in the description. So underneath this video see show more, click that, that'll bring up description and all details will be listed down there. I was kindly gifted this box in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, so I'm really grateful to the Pip Box for getting in touch with me and asking if I'd be interested. So yeah, let's get on to opening up and see what we've got inside. This is what it looks like. Got a little leaflet here, and yeah, it tells you everything about the products in the box, so I'll be referring to that as we go along. And there we go. So I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. So going back to this leaflet, it just says, welcome to the Winter Saviours edit. With the festive season in full swing, we've got the winter beauty essentials covered, from a nourishing beauty balm to a relaxing face mask for when you need some time out. Enjoy and tell us what you think on social at Pipbox, and total value for this month is over £60. Oh, one thing that has changed actually, it says here 10% of all profits made from beauty boxes are donated to the charity Animal Free Research UK. So yeah, so it's a little bit different than before. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. So the first item is by Coconut Lane, and this is Up in the Clouds, and it's a universal beauty balm, and it says vanilla. I've never ever had anything by Coconut Lane before. Really excited to give it a go. Oh, it's got those little stickers. Get my little trusty scissors. These little nail scissors come in handy. So what is this? This is like a lip balm then. Lip balm? Apply generously and hydrate those dry areas from lips to elbows, cuticles to heels. Your hydration hero is here to help rescue and restore. And there's 15 mils there. It's gorgeous packaging, isn't it? Doesn't want to come out. Whoa! It doesn't want to come out. I don't want to burp there. It's starting to come out now. I just put a little bit on my hat. I just want to have a sniff, and I just want to see what it's like on my finger. Oh, I love putting things like this on my nails. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like marzipan. Has it got a smell of vanilla? Yeah, all right. It does smell of vanilla, but the first thing that came to my mind is marzipan. So no, that feels quite nice. I'm just massaging it there into my thumb. So this will cost you £6. Thanks to the calming properties of vanilla, this Up in the Clouds beauty balm is here to help. Simply lather onto your lips, dry patches, or massage into pressure points for some instant relaxation. So there's the first item in the box. Next we've got a product by Diaryofabeautygeek, and this says Step 1 Prime, Runaway Ready Face Primer, and this is 20 mils. If you can see that. I love the packaging. I've had a few Diaryofabeautygeek products before, but no, I've never had one of these. So I'll just show you what it looks like there. So it's a clear primer. It's a clear primer. It is very, very thin. It almost feels like an oil. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What is it? A face primer. It does. It feels just like an oil going on my skin. It feels lovely, and it is absorbing into the skin. But I suppose this would be fantastic for people with dry skins. Does it say any information? Not on there, but what's it here? This will cost you £32, and it says Runway Ready Primer is an essential makeup base that gives your skin a matte, silky smooth finish that will keep your makeup in place all day. As a bonus, Runaway Ready smooth skin texture and minimises the appearance of pores and fine lines as well. Oh my gosh, that is weird. I've never tried anything like that. I'm curious to see how that goes. Definitely curious to see. So yeah, a bit different there. So there's that. Next we got a mask, and this is by Vitamask. So this is a special edition. It's a Christmassy one, cranberry and apple. I bet that smells absolutely gorgeous. And this is a sheet mask that is supposed to high radiant complexion. It's in Korea. like Korean. Oh no, it's got some English there. I'll show you first and then I'll refer to the leaflet. There. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Apologies if you can hear rain. You're right underneath a Velix window and it's just started to rain. Hopefully it won't last long. So this mask will cost you £14. No, £4.99. And it says here, get cozy in front of your Christmas tree and pop on this beautiful sheet mask. A vitamin C focused mask designed to nourish and brighten the skin with added antioxidant protection. Perfect for the colder weather. So there's that. Next we got a product by the Lucky Cloud Skincare, and this is a balancing cleansing balm, and it's lavender, bergamot and frankincense, and there's 15 mils here. I love, love, love cleansing balms. Oh, I wonder what this is like. I tend to wash my face first with a cleansing balm and I leave it on, massage, wait for it to lift all the makeup off, including like waterproof mascara. Then I use like a brightening cleanser or something like that, and then yeah, I go over it again. And it makes my skin feel so, so nice. But yeah, cleansing balms, you can't go wrong if you want to get rid of a load of makeup off your face. But so yeah, handmade, natural and vegan. Oh, it smells nice. It smells of sweets. Very subtle. It's not strong. I don't know what that's like. I'm not going to try that, obviously. I don't want to get my makeup off. So this will cost you £8 and there's a discount here. Save 15% on any order over £10 with code LUCKYPIP15 on luckycloudskincare.com. And it says, enriched with exfoliating green clay and gentle anti-inflammatory oils, it will melt away dirt, grime and even stubborn makeup to leave your skin soft and clean. So there's that. And then lastly, we got a High Shine Gloss by Memi. And does it have, ooh, this is About You, in shade About You. Never heard of this brand before either. I love that. I love discovering new brands. Love it because obviously, as you can imagine, I do a lot of unboxings and, you know, I do see a lot of familiar brands and everything. So seeing something I've never heard of or never seen before is just extra exciting. I love the packaging. That is smart. That is really, really smart. And it looks like it's going to be a gorgeous colour too. So it's a High Shine Gloss. Oh, that is lovely. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Perfect nude for me, not too pale. So this will cost you £10 and it says enriched with subtle blends of oils to nourish and protect lips. This must-have nude pink lip gloss will be the perfect addition to your gloss collection. So I think that's all the products, isn't it? Yeah, 5 products, so I'm just going to gather them all up and then I'll add them all up as well. So these are the products inside the Pip Box December Beauty Box. There's 5 products in all. The cost of the box is £20 and the value comes to around £63–64. And yeah, I think there's a really good mix there. There's a cleansing balm, there's a Christmassy themed sheet mask. Then we've got like a nudie gloss. We've got what seems to be like a multi-purpose balm. Then we've got this really strange primer, really odd primer. Really curious to see how that is with the rest of my skincare and makeup, to give that a go. But yeah, I think we've got a really good mix there. Really good mix. Now normally sheet masks, over the last month or two, haven't been exciting me. I'm getting a little bit bored of sheet masks, but I do like feet masks, I do like hand masks, and this one, yeah, when I saw that it was like a Christmassy themed one, that picked up my interest more, definitely. I have had loads and loads and loads of them in different subscription boxes over the last year or two, so yeah, they don't excite me as much anymore. But when they're a little bit different, then that changes things, doesn't it? So no, all in all, I'm really, really pleased with this box. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to the Pip Box? Or haven't you ever heard of it before? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.